of them man enter the center, the ghetto you pray. Them soul afraid. Police can be seen up unseen. Evidence gathering. No touch and no one seen. Emotion cause explosion, emotion. Oh what a fear. Intending bring tears you see. The crowd are so loud they go shout. Well what a one here. So now we sing again. Gunshots and blast and I know what a massacre is. Oh, oh, oh yeah. Gunshots and blast and I know what a massacre is. Oh, oh, oh yeah. Man pull up in a tin old van and him shoot you down with a Glock in him our one. Drug dealer man go wrong. No money, no pay. Tragedy and tragedy, no tragically. We see a justice and basement vicinity. Propaganda, their slander, the media screen, reality. This Babylon system, gunshots and blast, and I know what a massacre is. Oh, oh, yeah. Gunshots and blast, and I know what a massacre is. Oh, oh, yeah, all a ceremony in a holy place. All of the sadness you trace by the people face. Memory for me from casket down to a grave. Blood stamp on a pavement, me all a second reverend. Oh, what I hear now, big one in an instant. And I easy David. Well, we only question. The only thing we say now is a race in peace to brethren. Gunshots and blast and I know what a massacre is. Oh, oh, oh yeah. Gunshots and blast and I know what a massacre is. Oh, oh, oh yeah. Cops of them man enter the center, the ghetto youth afraid. Them soul afraid. Police can be seen up unseen. Evidence gathering. No touch and no one see. Mama fear sit on a yard and fi gather children. All of their children, yeah. The fear of a badge and them fear feed them.